Alcatel Submarine Networks, Israel. Talk about the employment, the business, how functioning the expense.
Okay, we came here to show two different technologies that we have. The first one here that I'm going to show you is the PRM. The PRM is it's a seismic monitoring system, a permanent reservoir monitoring system that we can deploy. So we're gonna deploy one in 2025 in the Libra field. What can I tell you about this seismic system? It's a permanent monitoring system. So once you have it in place, it will last 25 years. And every time you will take your recording, you'll have the same exact position of the system. So I understand that for the physicist, because I'm not a physicist, I come from the installation side. This is very important for the repeatability of the process. So how it works is we have hydrophone and three different how do you call that accelerometers that will give you the full 3D model. We have up to 4,225, if I remember well, on the Libra system. So this is actually it. So that's what is going to be being deployed. The water depth that we're going to be deploying this is 2,100 meters water depth, which is quite deep. This is here. Sorry, inside. It is pressure balance. So when you go to this water depth, you have no issue because everything is filled with an oil chamber where you again equalize the pressure. So how it works? It works with fiber optics. We have up to 16 fibers here. You bring one fiber, you bring it outside, and that single fiber will be able to feed up to 16 sensors. Once you get to the 16th sensor, you will change the fiber, bring another one from the inside to the outside, and keep on feeding. I think that the max length that we have on this Libra field per sensor is something around 12-15 kilometers. You can imagine that we have a sensor every 100 meters. One of them, like this, every 100 meters. So you have. You can keep the monitoring every 100 meters, and that's for the PRM.
And the employment, factory, sales, manufacturing. And
okay, this is done in Europe. So we have three different manufacturing centers. It's Trondheim.
Manutention.
They're manufacturing in Trondheim, in UK, in London, and then the final assembly is in Calais, in France. Once they have been assembled, they're going to be shipped here to Brazil. It's I would like to say a plug and play. We have a full system that's been tested and before leaving the manufacturing the factory. Sorry. So but anyway, prior to every time we move the system,
representation in all the roads. Representation. All the countries can have the service from employment.
For sure. We for the moment being in deep water, I think Brazil is the first country we're going to be deploying this in deep water. Otherwise, in the North Sea, we have some systems already in place, but that let's say shallow water, it's 400 meters water depth or less than that. So here the big challenge, and that's why we improve this technology, is to go to deep water, and we're very interested in Brazil because you have a lot of pre-salt reservoirs where we are convinced that this is the type of technology that you will be looking for, and they are at deep water depths from 2,000 meters deeper up to 3,000 meters.
Yes. Who wants to know about the employment? Instagram, site.
Well, you can look on asn.com, so Alcatel Submarine Networks, and we have the opening. So This is out of my area of expertise, but yes, you can visit the website.
Yes, thank you.